What's the meaning of all-purpose? All-purpose. 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 All-purpose.
The term all-purpose refers to something that is able to be used for a wide range of purposes or functions. It suggests versatility and flexibility in its ability to be adapted to different situations. An all-purpose tool or product is designed to fulfill multiple needs rather than being specialized for a single task. Examples of all-purpose items include cleaning products, flour, scissors, and knives. The advantage of all-purpose items is their convenience and cost-effectiveness, as they can serve multiple functions without the need for additional specialized tools or products.